guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. I really hope you are well. In today's video, we're going to do a beautiful and cute hairstyle. Next month will be Valentine's Day, and this is one of my favorite seasons, so we have a lot of ideas. They are beautiful. I really hope you like them. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment down below. If you have seen our new and improved website, you could see that we are displaying all your comments now in there, so you can see your name, your photo, the comment that you leave, and the video. I hope to see all your comments in this video, so let's get started.
First of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to use 2 drops, and now I'm going to apply it all along the hair. I always like to make sure that I apply the product in the ends of the hair. Next, I'm going to brush the hair, and here we have a beautiful and shiny hair ready to start braiding. We're going to do a heart shape division on this side, so I'm going to do a diagonal division first, and then we're going to do the heart shape. I'm going to make it perfect, bring the division to the neck, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. If this is the first time you're doing a heart, maybe you will need to practice sometimes, and then it will be perfect. I'm going to hold this section of hair for a while, and then I'm going to start on this corner, picking up a small piece of hair, and we're going to start doing a Dutch braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. We're going to add a small piece of hair to the braid, and then cross the strands under the middle one, and add a piece of hair from the front. We are adding hair always just from one side. Cross the outside strands under the middle one, and add hair to the braid. In here, we're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair, and we're going to do the braid along the division. In here, I'm going to do some more stitches of the braid and hold it with an elastic. Next, we're going to do the same steps on the other side. Now we can take off this band, and I'm going to do another division, leaving 1 centimeter from the first one and following the heart shape. We're going to comb this section very well, and now we're going to hold it with 1 or 2 elastic bands. I usually like to use 2 so the ponytail will be firm. Now we can bring back the hair, and we're going to pick up a very tiny piece of hair from the middle. We're going to split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to start French braiding, crossing the outside strands over the middle one. I'm going to add a tiny piece of hair from the right side, and then I'm going to add hair from the left side as well. Now cross the strands without adding hair to the braid, and again add hair from the right side, and add hair from this side as well. One more time, cross the strands without adding hair, and next is turn to add hair on each stitch. Again, cross the strands without adding hair, and one more time add hair from both sides. Now we're going to keep braiding until we add the remaining hair. And remember, you have to skip 1 stitch of the braid and then add hair again. When we finish, we're going to hold the braid with an elastic and then join it to the ponytail. Now we're going to grab the braids. We're going to place them over the ponytail that we just did and hold them with an elastic as well. Perfect. Grab this ponytail and now hold all the hair using 2 or 3 elastics, so you will make sure that the hair will be firm during the whole day. To finish the hairstyle, I'm going to decorate it using a little bow, and this is the final result, so cute and beautiful.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I hope you love this hairstyle as much as we do, and see you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!